So hi, welcome to this new tutorial about pysnippets. It's this app, and so in this app you can have this Python file here that are shown in the right side of the screen in this text box, and you can change them and save them, and you can make a new one pressing these buttons down here. And so now we want to make another thing. We wanted to be able to delete one of these file with another button down here. So let's go into Sublime Text, and let's change it to make this. So we want to add this delete button. So I remember I have a GitHub repository called pysnippets, and my repository is under my name formazione. So it's github.com/formazione/pysnippets. So this is the last version, and okay, now we want to make number 7 of this tutorial. So let's add this button. So we're gonna okay, I made a function here under window to create a button to which I can pass the text, the column here, and row, so the position in my grid system, and the command. So that it is more easy to create a new file, and just copying this, and I'm calling it delete. I'm gonna position it at the third place here, third row, and I'm gonna call my function delete. So this give me an error because there is no delete self-delete method. I'm gonna create now. We're gonna put it here under after save. So def delete self. So we are going to delete the file that is selected. So when we select the file and we press delete, we're gonna delete this one. So I think we have this list box here. When we select, we're gonna to use course selection maybe. So let's go and do self file name. I don't know if I have already used memorized somewhere here. Show content. Okay, self file name will be self dot listbox dot get course selection. I don't know if this will work. Let's try it, because maybe there will be some problems. Oh, it works. Okay, so okay, now we have to delete this one. So maybe we want to have a something that says, do you want to delete it or not? So message box dot ask yes, no, title and message. So parent icon. So we're gonna say title and message, and also the icon. Okay, title equal delete this file, and message you will delete self file name. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, delete this file. You will delete yes or not? Let's say yes. Okay, and now let's print ask. If I press now, you see there is problem because you haven't selected anything. So I'm gonna do a try. Or we can use our function that we created. Okay, you must select the file and okay, now it's true. So so if so if ask, so if it's true, we are going to delete the file. So os.remove, these files are into this folder. Okay, so now let's create a new file called 000. So there it is, and let's write something in here. Try. Let's save it, Ctrl S, or with this one. And now let's try to delete it. You will delete, yes. So there is an error because of this thing, so delete, yes. Now it deleted the file, because if you go into the snippets folder you will not find the file, but the list box hasn't been reloaded. So let's see where. Okay, this is the insert. Don't remember well if it works this way, but maybe yes. So let's do again. New file, AAA, delete, yes. Okay, but we forgot to, I forgot to self dot insert. Show list of items. Show list of items. So new file, AAA, delete, yes. Okay, now we can delete our files. If we want, we can create them, change them and save them, or delete them. Okay, and the next thing that we will probably do is to maybe run these apps from inside uh, here with another button, and some other stuff that we will add in another video. So thank you, and see you next time.